Hello friends, today I am going to talk about another homeopathic mother tincture to control the sugar level. This is very important homeopathic mother tincture and you will see many cases of this remedy around you. The symptoms of this remedy are very few, and if there are symptoms present then you can control his sugar level. But to cure his diabetes you must have to find out his constitutional remedy. So let's start it and let's see what are the symptoms of this remedy are. There will be profuse urination, very large quantity of urination with very much weakness and fatigue after the urination. The symptoms are aggravated after the urination, and dizziness after the urination is also an important symptom for this remedy. Loss of appetite, gastritis, and burning. Burning is an important symptom for this remedy. Burning all over the body, not in a single part of the body, but all over the body. Even in the eyes, there will be burning, and he doesn't want to go to the work, so there will be inclination to get laid down and all that. He doesn't want to go to work, and moroseness and all these symptoms. And another symptom is that the stool of the patient will be with painful stool uh, after and during the stool, and there will be sometimes mucus and blood will be there in the stool, and it is very painful. So these are all the symptoms, and definitely there will be dryness of the throat and thirst, huge thirst of water, and all are these symptoms that are present in this remedy. The name of the remedy is Cephalandra indica, and if most of the symptoms are present, you can prescribe it, and it will take sometimes 3 to 5 days to control his sugar level. So all are these symptoms. If you find any case around you, then you can prescribe it and you will see its result, its beautiful result. So that's the remedy of the today. Thank you.